Hi, I'm Rachel Vitullo and welcome to How To Hair. I'm so lucky to be a brand ambassador for 11 Australia. So the products I'm going to be talking about are 11 Australia. Everything in their product range is amazing. The products I'm going to be talking about today are my go-to products in the range. The first product I'm going to be talking about is the Miracle Hair Treatment. This product is your foundation product in any style that you create. The reason being is that the Miracle Hair Treatment has a heat protection, UVA, UVB, it's a great detangler and a fantastic styling agent. The Miracle Hair Treatment targets 11 points in your hair. So this product is the best foundation product when creating any style. The great thing about this product is that it does not leave any residue in your hair. So the best way to apply this product is when you get out of the shower and your hair is still damp, apply 2 to 3 pumps into your mid-lengths and ends, and whatever is left, massage into the root area and comb through with a wide tooth comb. You cannot go wrong with this product. The next product I'm going to be talking about is the I Want Body Texture Spray. This product gives you a beautiful amount of grit and texture in your hair with a matte result. The I Want Body Texture Spray is a combination of I Want Body Volume Powder and Sea Salt Spray from 11 Australia. So with the combination of the two, by having the powder you get a matte result, but by having the sea salt spray you get a gritty texture. This product is amazing to create movement in the hair, whether it's in wet or in dry. When applying this product, make sure that you give it a really good shake to combine the products together before spraying. My next must-have product is the Make Me Shine Spray Gloss. This product is a lightweight spray that will give your hair a beautiful amount of shine. The reason why I live for this product is because when you spray it in your hair, it won't weigh your hair down or make your hair look oily like some shine sprays can. This shine spray is so light that you can even spray it on your skin before a night out. To apply this product, I would always recommend spraying from 30 centimeters away from the hair in short, sharp squirts from roots to tips, and then combing through with a wide tooth comb to finish. My next must-have product is a wide tooth comb. This wide tooth comb from 11 Australia is made from carbon. What that means is that you don't create static in your hair. A wide tooth comb is a must-have at home to detangle your hair and to also rake out any curls. The reason why I also like a wide tooth comb is because it's very gentle on the hair. So you'll find that using a wide tooth comb versus a paddle brush is actually going to use less tension on the hair, so you'll find that you'll get less breakage in your hair as well when using a wide tooth comb. I have one in my handbag, in my trolley at work, in my side table at home, and also in my bathroom. I live for this product. My last must-have product in my kit is 11 Australia's Give Me Hold Flexible Hairspray. This product is absolutely amazing because it is a lightweight hairspray, but you can layer this product to become stronger, so much that it becomes concrete. I absolutely love this hairspray. I use it for a finishing spray on glamour waves. I use it as a strong hold in sleek ponytails. I use it in hair ups. I use it to finish off haircuts. I absolutely love this product and I use this on every single client and also on every single style I create on myself. The products that I've spoken about today are my most reached products in my kit. If you are a hairdresser or starting out in the industry or just love styling your own hair, by having a combination of these products is going to cover all areas when creating looks. If there's anything in particular that you'd like to see, please make sure you comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stunning!